and I'm going to be demoing my medical website. As you can see, I'm on PowerShell, and I'm in a virtual environment. I'm going to run my Python manage py run server. It's going to take a little while. Zen on Python by Tim Peters, beautiful. As you can tell, it's hosted on localhost 8000. And let's open that up. All right, just move that. You can see the landing page. Great group of people right there. The contact page. As I said earlier, let's go over here to dashboard. I can tell you that you have your app out. Get your app name. Post it on GitHub. It's got its configs and it's got a build time. It's built automatically and deployed. Alright, go here. Let's go sign up. 2 users here, doctor and user. Let's go to the doctor one. Just as you can tell, there's form validation here. This is required. These 2 are optional. Yeah, required as well. That's one has a bit of a more restrictive. Hit submit. Sign up. It comes with the doctor verification. Basically, we want to do a medical license here. It's okay. Just put any file here. Let's submit. It's gonna be posted to our S3 bucket on AWS. As you can tell, basically just put it right there. Alright. Prior for the doctor's accounts to work, it's user blocked right now. They're disabled until an admin can actually verify their medical license. You come here, I'm on my admin account. As you can tell, there's our created user. Let's just activate them. Boom. It's gone. Log out. Go back to our medical one user that we just created. And we'll log in here. As you can see, wow, it's logged in. Lovely. Right. Let's go to our doctor account here. We can log in with Google. Let's use this account. You can, hasn't verified yet, but if you want, you can go to here anyways. Use this for services already. Continue. And then it goes to your account. Doing it this way links it into your Google OAuth. It also allows us to grab your calendar as well. As you can see, you have your calendar here. Let's make actually lovely. there, but it's just to show. It's actually booked an account right now. It's on those. Pick a user. Doesn't matter which. This is a user. Let's actually book an appointment right now. It searches all available doctors on the site that are connected with Google Auth account. Checks in availability. Just pick unavailable for any day prior to today, and it has to be before the time slot available. It takes all the values you have here, localizes it to Vancouver, then removes them from selection. Let's start booking now. And you can see completed booking, returned. And then you have your appointment here. As you can see, boom, that's time slot, 2 days. Check yes or no. Let's go do the other things. You can connect with Google. So basically verifying if you're connected, how many messages you have, medication. That's going to be another notification from the site. Let's just send a message to Manji. Let's give it an appointment. Okay. Let's also test medications as well. One message, one time. Breakfast and post meal. I should just come up right here. This is a list of what you can do. As you can see, dashboard's on 3 unread. Just go to inbox. Lovely. Log out. Go to Manji. Log in. 3 messages right here. Let's go here. Let's go to the appointment. Let's actually reply to this. Submit it. Let's see, I'll come back here. Log up. Here. Another message. And there you go. These are recursive, so every message it gets, it comes back to the message ads. You can delete them or reply to them anytime you want. Let's look at the last function, the edit profile. Basically, you have a bio, your phone number, doesn't matter, your birth date, some avatar, your gender, male, but it doesn't random. You can just go here, then you just swap it around, and there you go. And that's all.